Oh, hey, what's up everyone? It's the TDubsKid, and I'm actually going camping on the T-Dubs, and there's the Coors factory down there somewhere. It's like the biggest building down there. We love our beer here in Colorado. Weather looks like it's gonna rain. So it looks like it stopped raining, so I'll continue on my adventure. Seriously though, this tree was so convenient for being right here. There we go. There's lots of rocks in here. Onwards to adventure! Slippery when wet. Ooh, another tunnel. I love tunnels. Tunnel. Tunnel. Oh, and another tunnel. 2-for-1 deal. Well guys, today's adventure is going to Blackhawk to gamble all my money away. Just kidding. It's like a whole city. And all these giant, luxurious looking buildings make me just want to gamble all my money away so it can help pay for them. Yeah. That sounds about right. Holy shit, that's like a skyscraper over there. Look at that thing. Jeez. Thing's huge. This ain't your just average mountain town. That sign right there makes me want to trespass. Oh, all these buildings around here are so cool. I have no idea where my GPS is taking me. Hopefully it's taking me to the right place. Join the excitement at Red Dolly Casino. Let's take a look at this old abandoned building right here. This is cool. This is no trespassing, but look at this thing. Oh, there's totally an old van in there. Just chilling. This place is so cool. Let's go around this way. Let's see what's over here. Oh, there's like an old tractor. It's time to get her done. Looks like fuel. It's about half. Front air is good. We got amps. About half of them amp share. Brum, brum. Brum, 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 brum. Brum, 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 brum. Seriously though, those clouds do not look good. They do not look like good news. What the hell? A Highlander police mobile. Cops don't drive Highlanders. Ooh, an unpaved road. Look at those clouds, they look so menacing. They're gonna murder me. I wanna go in there. The Puddle mill. Puddle mill. Oh, there's a cemetery over there. I kinda wanna go see the cemetery. This is cool. I feel like I have to get some pictures over here. So it's starting to rain again, but hopefully it blows over. We'll see. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and just head over to those trees over there. Just hang out under the trees for a little bit. I think that sounds like a good idea. These trees might offer a little bit of coverage if I can get in there. Can I get in there is the question. Oh hell yeah. It is so rainy and cold. I guess if worst came to worst, I could just throw the tarp. I have a tarp I could just throw over here and just sleep here for the night, I guess. Since it started raining pretty hard, I went ahead and built this tarp shelter. And then as soon as I finished it, it pretty much stopped raining. I was thinking about just camping here for the night, but since it stopped raining, I might go ahead and push on, see what else is out there.